So I'm currently out front of a place called Hopscotch out here in San Antonio, and it's a immersive experience, kind of like Meow Wolf is, really similar to that. A lot of lights and places to take pictures and a lot of really surreal backgrounds and images and things that you're going to be able to see. I know a little bit about it, but let's go inside and see what we can see. We just got drinks from the bar here. And your drink? What was your drink?
Malibu and pineapple.
Oh, the Malibu and pineapple.
With CBD.
The CBD shot, and it comes with the glass. I guess you get to take it home, which is awesome. And then I just got a Fresh Kicks IPA, which still kind of looks a little funky, so kind of works. All right, heading on down. Oh, this is cool already. Experiences over things. I like that. That's like a message I very much agree with there too. You can see it's like glowing right under all the balls because they're so clear. But they're like just fog up enough that you're getting this sort of like cloud feel to it. Whoa, looks tough. I can't reach. I can't reach. Almost. Run. I forgot it's broken. Alright, going in the ball pit. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm like 5 years old again. Oh! Alright, I'm gonna throw myself back. Oh, this is so cool. Like a sort of like infinity mirror. That's such a trip. Oh my god. Yeah, look. Whoa, that's wild. See me? Oh, that's awesome. And just over from the ball pit, they have these blocks. You can actually move them. You can take them and stack them. Apparently, you're not supposed to stack them more than 4 high, but you can kind of just adjust them and make like seats or like a little house out of them. But yeah, you're free to do whatever you want with these. This area right here, it's called a light corner. Oh, it like does your silhouette. It's amazing. There's like the art exhibits are like sectioned off into rooms. Actually, this one's perspective. I think it more works like corner to corner. That's like how it works. Here, I'll show you the video. All right, now walk to the other side. Yeah, that's crazy. Okay. Are you on that corner?
No, we just go walk past.
Oh, let's walk past each other. Okay. All right. So that came out good. Do it again. Alright. Oh, this side.
Well, I'll look the place.
Okay.
No, you don't.
I go back and forth. Wait, it has to be this hand. So finger gun. When you don't know what to do, finger gun. Alright. Quantum space. Oh, what's going on in here? Oh. That's so cool. Like goes with your body. Wow, that's amazing. That's so cool. Oh, it changes. Oh, that's amazing. It's so responsive too. And I actually. That's awesome. Alright, that's me right there. Let me see how fast I can follow me. Oh, it's super responsive. Oh, that's cool. That's amazing. One is lunar graffiti in here. Ooh. Alright, so you get like this laser paint can, and then you can kind of just draw around with it like you're doing graffiti. But this one's just destroying the wall altogether. Good. It's so much fun. Set button. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, what are you doing? Just squiggles? For a second, I thought you were doing a heart. Now this one is secrets. Nothing makes us so lonely as our secrets. Oh, there's secret booths. Are you leaving a secret to the secret hotline? See, it says, have a secret to share? Call the number below and leave a message on our Google Voice mailbox or take a picture and call in at a later time. Yeah, you gonna leave one? Yeah, I don't know either. Leave secrets in that booth, and then on the phone, you can actually hit here and then hit auto dial on there, and it'll just tell you somebody's secret at random, and they're actually pretty intense, some of them, because it says it's for mature audiences or mature listeners. So be wary if you go to listen to this. It's probably going to be pretty crazy stuff in there. Share the secret room. Oh, it's like a microphone. Oh my gosh. I don't think I have any real secrets to share that would be like as crazy as the ones I was hearing.
Sure.
Alright, walls within is this one. And I think it's just all colors, unless something happens. I know that this over here was actually changing shape. Oh, that's crazy. Well, that is trippy. Alright, so besides that mural, it's actually moving. There's several murals off to the side. That one probably my favorite. And you got this one right here. It looks like some beans or something, like dried beans over there. And then this one is just a complete trip of an image. And then right here, I actually don't know what it says. Oh, it says, hey baby. Oh, K-pasta. Hey baby, K-pasta. Alright, so there's like a whole lot going on in this image right here. I mean, clearly, as you can see, if you just sit here for long enough, you're gonna see all kinds of things. Funny enough, the one thing that stood out to me was the crushed Lone Star can down there floating in the pool. Don't know why that popped out at me, it was cool. And this Barbie has eggs for eyes. Very interesting. Right, continuing on into the gaze. Oh, wow. That's incredible. I'm saying this is incredible for like everything, but it really, everything here is incredible. Oh, hey! Inside of a maze. And I'm gonna get lost. Oh! I didn't see the wall. Definitely one of my more favorite ones, because I'm a fan of bleeding lights and everything in general. So I can kind of go and take a look at everything sort of individually. You see right there, it says, oh, cheers, cheers. Violet equals spirit. A lot of color going on here. Love is love is love. Out there. Yellow equals sunlight. Red equals life. Green equals nature. Orange equals healing. And blue equals harmony. And then this says everyone, but it's backwards and I'm on the other side. Alright, heading off. Oh. There we go. Heading off into the next room. Rainbow Cave. Oh, that's pretty. What is all this?
It's like a trash bag.
Are they all trash bags? Oh. Oh, that's incredible. I feel like here's something up here. Sounds like an ocean or something. Literally just thousands and thousands of little trash bags all the way around here. It's built from salvaged plastic bags and fishing nets. Rainbow Cave glamorizes our waste and invites us to reconsider our relationship with it by making the discarded precious. That's so good. I'm going into color therapy, the vault here. Ooh, it's so red. Oh, whoa. Now this is like ambiance if I've ever seen it. You're surrounded around color. It's almost like sensory deprivation in a way. You're supposed to like stare away from it. Oh yeah, you can change the kaleidoscope. Basically a kaleidoscope. And these do anything right here? It's like, oh, that's so cool. Whoa, oh my god, oh that's such a trip. I love that. Whoa, double rainbows. So this projector is projecting onto me the kaleidoscope sort of shapes. Just
Oh yeah, I totally saw this exhibit over
Oh,
there.
okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
wow.
come on in, follow the phone line. In the middle, there's a path. We're gonna head on through towards
love
the
it.
exit sign. Yeah, have fun.
Oh, cool. Oh. Oh my god. Wow. Just got out of Hopscotch, back at the car, forgot to do an outro. That was absolutely an amazing experience. Highly would recommend it. It's about $25 a person. You know, if you're wanting to get some good photos, if you're wanting to have a lot of fun with your friends, just have something that's, you know, really fun to experience, highly recommend it. Definitely akin to like Meow Wolf and things like that. You know, there's a lot of experiences and things that try to recreate Meow Wolf. Not exactly Meow Wolf, but they definitely come close to it. So if you're looking for something fun to do in San Antonio, Hopscotch is where it's at. But if you enjoyed the video, give me a like on the video. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. But with that being said, have a good day.